This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2023 Panini Phoenix Football Hobby H2 2-box. eBay break March 18th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Bank ST Sports with the Panthers and Saints. DY Barrow _0 with the Browns. We got Dillman1 with the Seahawks. Pete and Abby 3 with the Patriots, Buccaneers, and the Cardinals. We got Bingo King 4040 with the Dolphins, Redskins, and the Jets. MIBIEDE _12 with the Titans. MRK-123 with the Steelers and the Bengals. Hogan JMN5673 with the 49ers, Ravens, and the Chiefs. 310 BELLESELLS with the Texans and the Colts. We got We the People USA with the Giants and the Eagles. JAPM68 with the Bears. Henry 42488 with the Lions. Quack _2945 with the Rams. Dr. Gonzo PhD 661 with the Vikings. MICCL 93 with the Jaguars. TEGR 29 with your Chargers. JEFFANCHE 0 with the Raiders. John Dahman Jr. with the Bills. ZACHARASH BEC _0 with the Packers. JOSHU _LARSO with the Cowboys and the Broncos. N Scott 61. Nope, that was incorrect. My apologies there. All right, that is your full lineup. There we go. That is your full lineup, guys. We got 2 boxes. 2023 Panini Phoenix Football Hobby H2 box, guys. 10 packs per box. Box number 1 coming at you. Plastic coming off. Here we go. All right, box number 1, pack number 1, guys. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Our first pack. Stephon Diggs, Saquon Barkley, Devontae Adams. We got Tank Bigsby, rookie. Darnell Washington, rookie. Jalen Hurts, SP, yep. And a Byron Young, rookie. And that is a purple 15 out of 125. On the Byron Young there, 15 out of, there it goes, 15 out of 125. Nice Byron Young for your Rams. And a Zay Flowers Thunderbirds rookie. Very nice. Pack number 2. Pack number 2, here we go, guys. We got Patrick Mahomes, Mr. Kenneth Walker, Matt Judon, Josh Jacobs. We got a Sidney Brown rookie. Devontae Achney rookie. Justin Jefferson for your Vikings. Another purple. And that is 61 out of 125 there. Nice Jefferson. And a Dak Prescott silver there. SP. Pack number 3 coming at you. Pack number 3. Breece Hall, Kyler Murray, Terry McLaurin. We have a Lucas Van Ness rookie. We got a Bijan Robinson rookie. Very nice. Jordan Love. Flamethrowers. How about this Puka? How about this Puka rookie? Nice Puka. 197 out of 199. Puka rookie. Red there. Very nice. And we also have a Jordan Addison Contours rookie. Very nice. Nice Jordan Addison there as well. Pack number 4. Pack number 4. Here we go. Kenny Pickett, Tebow Samuel, Kirk Cousins, Jerry Jeudy. Dorian Williams rookie. A Devon Witherspoon rookie. Jack Campbell rookie. Silver there. And a Russell Wilson Flame Throwers. Pack number 5. Pack number 5. Here we go, guys. Jimmy Garoppolo, Garrett Wilson, TJ Watt, Austin Eckler, Julius Brents rookie, Jake Haener rookie, Mr. Christian McCaffrey silver, and a Adrian Peterson Fire Forged insert. Nice. Pack number 6 coming at you. Pack number 6. We have Raheem Mostert, Derek Carr, Odell Beckham Jr., Mr. Anthony Richardson, rookie. Very nice. Henry Tatuo, rookie. Russell Wilson should be an SP, and it is. And followed by Jerry Jeudy. Red, 128 out of 199 on the Jeudy. Nice number Jeudy there. And Jalen Carter, Thunderbirds, rookie. All right, pack number 7. Pack number 7. Trevor Lawrence, DK Metcalf, Tony Pollard, Marquez Valdez, Scantling, Zach Harrison, rookie. Puka, rookie. Nice Christian McCaffrey, green. 11 out of 25. Niners. Real nice low-numbered McCaffrey there out of 25. Green for their Niners. Very nice. Nice McCaffrey there. And also a Hot Routes, Juju Smith-Schuster, pack number 8. Pack number 8. We've got Christian Kirk, McCaffrey, Von Miller, Hendon Hooker, rookie. Tyree Wilson, rookie. Followed by, how about it? A Clayton Tune auto. Rookie auto, Clayton Tune. And by the way, that is out of 25. 22 out of 25. Congrats to the Cardinals. Very nice. Clayton Tune, rookie auto. Out of 25, too. Followed by a Joey Porter Jr. rookie for the Steelers. And that's out of 25. 20 out of 25 there, too. Nice green there, Joey Porter. Wow. And also a Jahmyr Gibbs rookie, rising. Very nice. Great pack there. Beautiful Clayton Tune there. Very nice Clayton Tune rookie auto out of 25 for your Cardinals. Pack number 9. Pack number 9. Ramondre Stevenson, Baker Mayfield, A.J. Brown, Isaiah Foskey rookie, Michael Meyer rookie, DK Metcalf SP, yes it is, and a CD Lamb. CD Lamb, and that is 4 out of 199. Very nice CD there, red. And I fired up Jahmyr Gibbs rookie, very nice. All right, and pack number 10. Pack number 10. Here we go. Pack number 10. Isaiah Pacheco, Deshaun Watson, Cooper Kupp, Jordan Love. We got a Clark Phillips rookie. Joey Porter Jr. rookie. Josh Downs rookie. Numbered 85 out of 99 on the Josh Downs rookie for your Colts. And a Justin Jefferson fired up. Silver there, too. Looks like a silver. Okay. Box 1 down. All right, guys, box number 2. Plastic coming off. Agreed, that Clayton Tune was really nice. I agree. Very nice auto there. All right, guys, pack number 1. Box number 2, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. All right, we've got Mr. Justin Fields, Michael Pittman Jr., Cam Akers, DJ Johnson, rookie, Cedric Tillman, rookie, Micah Parsons, SP, yes. A Brenton Strange, rookie, numbered 14 out of 50. 14 out of 50 there on the Strange rookie. And a Jackson Smith Jigba Thunderbirds rookie pack number 2. Chris Olave, Jalen Waddle, Najee Harris, Josh Allen. We got an Aiden O'Connell rookie. Tucker Kraft rookie. Mr. Matthew Stafford orange there, numbered 43 to 99. 43 to 99 on the Stafford orange. Very nice. And a Travis Etienne Jr. silver SP there. Very nice. Pack number 3. Pack number 3. We got Mr. Justin Jefferson, Jalen Hurts, Deontay Johnson, Rashad White, Jalen Hyatt rookie, Cameron Latou rookie, Felix Uzama rookie, silver, and a Jalen Carter contours rookie there as well. Pack number 4. Pack number 4. Here we go. Nick Bosa, Javonte Williams, Joe Burrow, Jacorian Bennett rookie, Mozzie Smith rookie, Hot Routes, Tyreek Hill, silver there too. And another Tyreek Hill. Back-to-back Tyreeks. This one's in orange. Numbered 63 out of 99 there. So back-to-back Tyreeks. And a Flamethrowers Jared Goff. All right, pack number 5. Mike Evans, Jared Goff, Damian Pierce, Tua, Garrett Williams, rookie, Chase Brown, rookie, DeAndre Swift, I'm sorry, no, that's just a silver there. Justin Jefferson, Hot Routes there as well. Pack number 6. Aaron Donald, Travis Etienne Jr., Aaron Rodgers. We got a Will Levis rookie. Nice Will Levis rookie. Byron Young rookie. Devonta Smith, that is an SP there. Baker Mayfield, purple. That is 98 out of 125. And a Thunderbirds Geno Smith insert there. All right, pack number 7 here, guys. Pack number 7. Drake London, Sam Howell, Robert Woods, James Conner. We got a Darius Davis rookie, Christian Gonzalez rookie, Rashawn Johnson for the Bears, purple. And that is 18 out of 125. 18 out of 125 there, Rashawn Johnson rookie. Very nice. And a Flamethrowers, Mr. Aaron Rodgers. Pack number 8. Pack number 8. Donta Foreman, Brandon Ayuk, Nick Chubb, Geno Smith. We got a Rashawn Johnson rookie, Jordan Battle rookie. How about a Russell Wilson red? 21 out of 199. Nice Russell there. And a Fireforge Jalen Carter rookie. All right, pack number 9. Pack number 9. Pack number 9. Christian Watson, Daniel Jones, Amari Cooper, Alvin Kamara. We got Emmanuel Forbes rookie, Jahmyr Gibbs rookie. Mr. Tank Dell rookie. Nice Tank Dell there. And that is 81 out of 125 on the Tank Dell there for your Texans. And a fired up Bijan Robinson. Silver there too, rookie. Very nice. All right, guys. Pack number 10. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Pack number 10. Pack number 10. Here we go. We got Micah Parsons, Derrick Henry, Lamar Jackson. We got a Jackson Smith-Jigba rookie. Keon White rookie. Aaron Jones SP. And a Riley Moss rookie. Riley Moss rookie. That is 35 out of 199 for your Broncos. And a fired up Justin Jefferson out of pack number 10. Empty box there, guys. Let's run back through. We're going to run back through our numbered hits here, guys. We're going to run back through them real quick. Brief hit recap here, guys. Riley Moss, rookie. That was 35 out of 199. We got your Tank Dell. Very nice Tank Dell rookie there as well. That is 81 out of 125. Mr. Russell Wilson. Russell there. That is 21 out of 199. Rashawn Johnson, rookie for your Bears. 18 out of 125. Nice Baker Mayfield. And that's 99 out of 125. Nice Tyreek Hill orange there. Tyreek. And that is 63 out of 99. Mr. Matthew Stafford, another orange there. 43 out of 99. Brenton Strange, rookie. Your Jags. 14 out of 50. Nice low number Strange there. We got a Josh Downs, rookie for the Colts. 85 out of 99. CD Lamb. Nice CD Lamb there. That is 4 out of 199 on the red there. We got a Joey Porter Jr. green, and that is 20 out of 25. Nice Joey Porter, low numbered. Very nice. How about this McCaffrey, too? Very nice McCaffrey green as well. Also very low numbered, 11 out of 25. Nice McCaffrey for your Niners, very low numbered. Jerry Jeudy. Nice Jerry Jeudy. That is 128 out of 199. Nice Puka. Nice Puka red there also. 197 out of 199. Rookie, Mr. Justin Jefferson, purple. 61 out of 125. Byron Young, rookie. 15 out of 125. And we also had your, how about it, Clayton Tune, rookie. Auto. That's a really nice hit. 22 out of 25 for your Cardinals. Beautiful Clayton Tune. 22 out of 25. Rookie. Auto. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Once again, cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. We do have breaks filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. We got a great break schedule all week long as well. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart. Be safe out there.